Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Sales Cloud. This powerful platform is designed to help sales teams manage their entire sales process from start to finish. It centralizes all your customer information, making it easier to track interactions and nurture relationships. By streamlining workflows and providing a comprehensive view of your sales pipeline, Sales Cloud empowers your team to work smarter and achieve their sales goals more efficiently. Sales Cloud offers several core features to drive your success. Lead management allows you to capture, qualify, and nurture prospects efficiently. Opportunity management helps you track every deal, from initial contact to closure, giving you clear visibility into your sales pipeline. Plus, with workflow automation, many routine tasks are handled automatically, freeing up your team to focus on building stronger customer relationships and closing more deals. Using Sales Cloud, your team can track every lead and opportunity in real time, gaining a clear view of your entire sales pipeline. This visibility helps you identify potential bottlenecks and accurately forecast revenue. You can also collaborate effortlessly with team members on deals, sharing crucial information and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Accessing a complete customer history allows for truly personalized interactions, enhancing customer satisfaction. By leveraging Sales Cloud, businesses often see a significant increase in sales productivity, sometimes by more than 30%. It helps improve lead conversion rates through targeted nurturing and AI-driven insights. To maximize these benefits, focus on maintaining high data quality and providing continuous user training. This ensures your team fully adopts the platform, leading to better decision-making and stronger customer relationships over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.